Welcome dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I do not know how you spent your time in the time of coronavirus pandemic. You will be focused on your studies only, then you will be able to bring success in your life. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Mahorali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur. Presentation English second paper, class 6 to 9. Look at the images. They are playing cricket. Cricket is played by them. I bought a computer. A computer was bought by me. The cow gives us meal. We are given meal by the cow. He gave me a pen. I was given a pen by him. Today's topic is voice sense, part 1. Learning outcomes. After end of the lesson, we will be able to define a voice, classify a voice sense into active to passive. What is voice? Voice is the form of the verb in the sentence that shows whether the subject acts or is acted upon. Active. They play football. Football is played by them. There are two kinds of voice, active voice, passive voice. When the subject of sentence does something. Example, I do the work. Passive voice, when the subject of the sentence is acted by the verb, the work is done by me. লক্ষ্য করো dear student, I do the work কাজটি সরাসরি সাবজেক্ট করছে। The work is done by me, এখানে কাজটি সাবজেক্ট সরাসরি করে নাই, অর্থাৎ সাবজেক্ট অলস রয়েছে। অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস স্ট্রাকচার সাবজেক্ট ভিটি অবজেক্ট। She cooked rice. Subject she cooked her rice object. He reads a novel. Subject he reads verb a novel object. Passive voice subject of object AV auxiliary verb V3 preposition object of subject অর্থাৎ the subject of active voice becomes subject of the passive voice. The subject of active voice becomes the object of the passive voice, generally preceded by the preposition by. The main verb is changed into the past participle. Rice was cooked by her. Subject rice was auxiliary verb, cooked V3 by preposition, her object. A novel is read by him. Subject a novel is AV auxiliary verb, read verb main verb by preposition him object. Let's another slide. Let's go. Subjective form of pronouns. Subject subjective form, objective form. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, they, them, it. Noun, no sense. নাউন থাকলে প্যাসিভে সেটার পরিবর্তন হবে না। This chart is very very useful to you. If you follow this chart, you can change the voice easily. Following this chart, you can change the voice without tense. You must be follow the chart. Verb patterns of active and passive voice. Active, passive. V on active, passive, am is are was, am is are V3. V2, passive was were V3. Am is are was were shall be will be V plus ing. Passive being plus V3. Have, has, had, shall have, will have plus V3. Passive been plus V3. Shall, should, may, might, can, could, must, will, would. Red mark চিহ্নিত মডাল অক্সিলারি বলে। নেক্সট ought to, used to, am to, is to, are to, was to, were to, have to, has to, had to, be on plus semi modal plus B plus V3. Let's change active to passive. He eats rice. Rice is eaten by me. Number 1, V1. Eats V1 अर्थात rice is eaten by him. Rice object of subject is to be verb. Eats, eaten, he, him. Here object him. She opened the door. The door was opened by her. The door object is subject হয়েছে was to be verb, opened V3 by preposition. She subjected object her. They are playing football. Football is being played by them. তাহলে ফুটবল সাবজেক্টের অবজেক্টের সাবজেক্ট ফুটবল থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার মানে নিউজ হয়েছে। ইজের পরে বিং, প্লেইং, ইং থাকলে বিং হয়। played by preposition. Their subject or object them. The man has written a book. A book has been written by the man. A book object has been to be verb, written V3 by preposition. The man. এখানে নাউনের কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। I can help him. He can be helped by me. তাহলে হিমের অবজেক্ট হি, ক্যান, মডাল অক্সিলারি পর সবসময় বি বসাইলাম। হেল্পের V3 helped by preposition. I object me. Voice sense of assertive sentence. Subject of object. AV auxiliary verb V3 preposition. Object of subject. They had seen the picture. Passive. The picture had been seen by them. The picture object had এর পর বিন বসে had been, see, seen, seeny, no sense. by preposition their past or their object them. He has called me. I have been called by him. She was singing a song. A song was being by her. বন্ধুরা তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতে পারছো অ্যাক্টিভ টু প্যাসিভ কীভাবে করতে হয়। নেক্সট দেখো, লেটস fill in the gaps using the passive form of the verb given in the brackets. Dowry regard as a great curse in our country. Dowry is regarded as a great curse in our country. It may be compared to cancer. It may model auxiliary in B, model auxiliary B বসে compared to cancer. The fathers of the brides, কনের বাবারা victimized are victimized for dowry. If steps are not taken against those greedy people, it will grasp our society. It is mainly seen in the rich and educated society who take dowry as their right. So, we have to develop our morality. The culprits should be punished to control it. Dear student, যদি তোমরা এগুলো আনসারগুলো দিয়েছি, তোমরা পরবর্তীতে এগুলো মিলিয়ে দিতে পারো। Passive voice of verbs with double object structure: subject of object, AV of auxiliary verb, VT preposition, object of subject. She will teach us English. Here is a two object. Us English. We will be taught English by her. We have to take any object. We will be take notes. Some verbs take double object, the direct object and the indirect object. In such cases, any of the objects may become the subject, as direct object, English, indirect object. Practice with double objects. Active: Mr. Schumann teaches us English. Double object: us English. We are taught English by Mr. Schumann. Or English is taught us by Mr. Schumann. Dina gave me a book. I was given a book by Dina. Next, whom talks? Rina types a letter. Schumann helped me. Shuma is singing a song. They had seen the picture. You will be play football. She would have read the book. Stay safe and sound. Stay at home. Thanks.